Peace, God Emblem. I'm depressed and shit. I'm fucking just suffered the real fucking traumatic fucking experience and shit. I'm fucking doing the knives on 2 victory and shit. And it comes over, you know, I'm doing the knives on the news and whatnot. And Russell Simmons, boy, just got hit with 20 G's per month per child on child support. So that's all the coaching cipher add 3 every fucking month. Coaching cipher add 3 per fucking month. For the Ioki and Myoki with whatever the fuck them C's names is and shit. Coaching cipher add motherfucking 3. So I'm thinking to myself, I'm like, damn. Coaching cipher add 3. Now, Kamora finds shit. I did an eyes on the fucking Life on the Fast Lane with Kamora and shit. She fine in a motherfucker. I ain't even gonna front. She the piece with the magnetic, boy, for real. Shit. You know what I mean? But I'm like, yo. I'm thinking, I'm like, was that shit worth it like that? God damn. Coaching cipher add 3 per month. Wisdom cipher add 3 per child. What do these motherfucking kids eat? For that type of money, you could buy a motherfucking grocery store. He already fucking own Fat Mom, so I'm sure they don't need no motherfucking clothes. You know what I'm saying? What the fuck? I mean, what do they need? Is the mortgage that much? You know what I'm saying? I mean, so that's what I meant when I was building on that Maury Povich shit. Like, it's a rites of passage. Like, I think with certain income brackets, it's like for certain income brackets, it's like, okay, child support court. But then when it goes higher, and when it gets in that divorce attorney realm and shit, hiring a divorce attorney, that's when the motherfuckers gonna break you off. They gonna break their foot off up in your law, save me and shit. So man, that shit just fucking fucked me up, man. You know, I mean, I know the boy sitting on a half a bill, so it's probably pretty. I'm sure he ain't sweating like that, but you know what I mean? Extra 40 G's a month. I mean, how much does it cost to go to fucking Harvard? You know what I mean? For that, just 40 G's a month, I would say, I don't know, knowledge cipher add 3 a month. I mean, what is she fucking spending on these G's? And then, not only that, she got fucking, he made her fucking partner in the fucking company. Sitting there fucking account for some shit. Maybe, you know, the unit followed by ciphers that I'm dealing with is really not in they universe and shit. But when it comes down to my universe, and I was just thinking of myself in that terms of the judge, I squared me with Mr. Emblem of Justice, coaching cipher add 3 per month. Shit, I'm like, man, lock me the fuck up right now. You know what I'm saying? So I might not be looking at it in comparison to what the fuck he dealing with, man. But either way it goes, 40 G's a month. What the fuck costs 40 G's a fucking month? Motherfucking crackheads don't even fucking smoke 40 G's a month. So I mean, this shit really is fucking deep, man. I think it's really sending a message, and the message that I think it's sending is like, yo, man, it's like, you know, we say the understanding, the best part, the seeds, the best part, the babies, you know, they're a blessing to the earth. But you know, Yaku's first rules and regulations, including all laws enforced while manufacturing the devil, you know what I mean? It's some deep math, because that's birth control like a motherfucker. When you see 40 G's a month, if somebody hits you with 40 G's a month, you ain't gonna be anxious to release no cream into no wish. For real. I don't give a fuck if you Russell Simmons, Puffy, Donald motherfucking Trump, or whoever the fuck. Shit. Come on, man. At certain times, you can just tell when the colored man's just getting unreasonable. You know what I mean? And it's like the rites of passage I was talking about. It's like, you know, if a wisdom have a seed, now, like I say, I'm not fucking, you know, including righteous queens and whatnot. I'm just including, like, you know, the ones who just go wild and shit. But if a wisdom have a seed, in this country, she pretty much, you know, she got some type of check coming to her. I don't give a fuck if it's by the state, government, whatever the fuck. Child support, she got some type of check coming to her. The man ain't guaranteed that. Now, like I said, I'm all for providing for your seeds, but sometimes it gets very unreasonable. My ex, she had me in court, and it was before she got a doctorate. So, you know, after she got a doctorate, her income shot up. But I always come up on grips, too. And I ain't want the courts getting into my cream like that. You know what I mean? That's why I'm Emblem of Justice. She don't even fucking know Emblem of Justice. She ain't gonna know Emblem of Justice. But I come up on grips, but she's coming up on a steady grip because she got that fucking doctorate and shit. I met the shorty, she couldn't fucking read. So I ain't no respect to her doctorates, fucking degrees and shit. You know what I mean? I fucking taught her 120. That fucking opened up shit in her. You know what I'm saying? So that type math, and so, you know, when it came down to judges weigh the various parents, they weigh the parents' incomes against one another. She makes more than me. She just copped the house for wisdom add power ciphers and shit. So she just came up on a mad grip after she got her fucking degree like that. You know, more power to her, you know, go on girl type shit, whatever the fuck. But it's still, if I took her right now, I know my shit will get reduced. But I'm not gonna fucking be hemming and hawing and haggling like that, because I don't want my seed to think, oh, your father trying to take me and get it reduced and shit. So I'm gonna keep that shit what it is and where it stands. And I know she don't want the courts going into her pockets anymore. So it's what I call a Mexican standoff. And plus my seed knowledge equality now, so I got wisdom years left. So do I want any more seeds? Man, given this current air out here nowadays, now motherfucking cypher, man. I mean, I fucking hate to say that shit, but what the fuck I look like? Power Bill years old, you know, I kicked it with some queen, and then that shit don't fucking work the fuck out. And you done had a seed buyer. You know what that fucking mean? That means some shit come. I got a cousin, a destroyed power cousin named Ronnie. This motherfucker like power building shit. He got a fucking understanding year old. So this motherfucker gonna be on child support until his God cyphers. Man, get the fuck out of here, man. Certain shit you can just tell. Jesus' teachings was freedom, justice, and equality. That shit ain't freedom. That shit ain't justice. And hell no, that shit ain't fucking equality, man. That shit is some fucking bullshit, man. You know, and I'm not saying that the queens, well, queens when they queens and shit, but shit. Well, you know, I ain't saying they don't deserve, they fucking just do, they did. And if you laid down with that queen and you made a seed with her, then, you know, you held responsible to be the said person of that fucking ability. But they going over fucking board, man. And that's why in the book to God, I refer to fucking child support authority as slave catchers. Cause you fucking miss a payment, fucking Russell will be fucking down there in Comstock. It ain't no fucking game. He better keep making motherfucking millions. And I know I ain't bought no fucking pair of fat for him in a fucking minute. So, you know, this shit crazy, man. So, you know, for the guards out there, all lovey-dovey guards and shit, you know, oh yeah, knowledge, wisdom, and understanding, and we gonna make a baby's queen, and we gonna last forever. Man, I was on that shit. You know, well, I sound so fucking bitter, don't I? But no, man, when I went into my fucking marriage, man, you know, I was sincere to the point where I was like, yo, man, we gonna do this shit till fucking death do us fucking part. Little did I know I wasn't paying attention to my wisdom bill degree that say when a motherfucker get married, he fucking can't count no motherfucking more. All that was not good at multiplying will fucking get married. Fucking, I wasn't doing the nines on that fucking degree. But shit, damn if I ain't got that motherfucking degree now. So, you know, it's just fucking crazy, man. You know, every God I know that I'm close to is on that child support shit. Not to say that they shouldn't be, but there's some queens that they got with that God. They know he was a fucking righteous man, and they just push his balls to the motherfucking wall. God's in and out of motherfucking court, man. With shorties, some of them had knowledge of some of them fucking didn't. It's just like, oh man, the present system is not conducive to fucking long-term fucking relationships no more. You know what I'm saying? Fucking what? Michael Jordan's wife divorced him. She divorced him. It was one of the fucking biggest settlements in fucking history and shit. She divorced him. It was fucking some undisclosed number and shit. But what was it? She didn't like Michael because he fucking couldn't pay the fucking light bill? Get the fuck out of here, man. And, you know, I think what it says is that, you know, you get this cream of the planet Earth, you get this CLR, save your heat and shit. And when you get it, you know, you think that that's the end of your problems to a certain extent. But all it is that, then why did God make devil don't never stop? It never stops. I don't give a fuck if you're sitting on fucking $196,940,000 and shit. You know what I mean? You still gonna have some fucking problems. They might be better problems than the other problems you had, but you still gonna have some motherfucking problems and shit. Then why did God make devil? It's always a degree that's gonna happen. It ain't gonna never ever stop. So it's just real, man. I mean, I think making babies is beautiful. The whole process is beautiful. But then it's like, you know, after they go from knowledge to born, you know, math don't stop. You know, after they go from knowledge to born, it's wisdom, cipher, wisdom, knowledge. You got all of these steps in the process. That's just gonna keep the fuck on, man. And sometimes you end up going through hell with this shorty that you fucking laid down with, man. You know, and you know, it all comes back to the original man. Everything go back to knowledge. Who is the fucking original man? The original man is the Asiatic black man, the maker. You know what I mean? The build and destroy degree says all that shit above is caused by your black ass. So, yeah, I caused that shit. Russell caused that shit. And shit, man, the fucking justice system. Shit, they fucking gave that fucking child support order, man. Like I said, I ain't got much to say. Just had to fucking vent. Peace.
I've been official, big dog in the yard, voted most likely to murder every birthday I start. So it's